A customer bought this iPhone 12 Pro Max, and with line on the screen, and he actually can't tell how the screen got spoiled. So I'll be changing this iPhone 12 Pro Max screen. And first thing, we hit the screen, then we open it, then remove every screw that is inside it which is holding the screen, then disconnect the screen. Then the next thing we have to do is to fix a new one, which I'm going to be doing. This is a new screen which we are going to be fixing. Then we have to connect the screen connectors and the speaker. After connecting it, then we have to connect the battery. Then after connecting the battery, then we have to tighten every screw which was removed at first. We're going to tighten the screw that is holding the screen. After tightening it, then we close it. After we close it, then we have to on it to see if it's working perfect. And while expecting that, then we have to tighten all the two screws that was removed below the screen, then on it to see if it's working perfect. It's working perfect and everything is working as expected. Merry Christmas, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.